In this video, we're going to use a graph to determine intervals of increase and decrease. So you have this polynomial here that has end behavior of y values going to infinity as the x values go to negative infinity, and you have the y values going to negative infinity as the x values go to infinity. And you can see that it has two turning points. One turning point is here, which we would call a local min, and another turning point here, which would be called the local max. So it's important to point out the local mins and local maxes when you're trying to find the intervals, because when you get to a local min, that tells you that you're changing from a negative slope to a positive slope, and then local max is telling you you're going from a positive slope to a negative slope. So these 2 points, you have slope of 0, but your slope is changing from negative to positive with a min and from positive to negative with a max. So they want us to know, it says determine the intervals for which the function shown below is increasing. Well, it's increasing right in this area here. So that means that we're increasing from an x value of -2, so increasing from -2, but we're not, we don't start increasing at -2. At -2, our slope is 0, so we're going to put a parenthesis there. So we're increasing from -2 to 0, and again, at 0, we're not increasing or decreasing, so we're going to put a parenthesis there. Now, it doesn't ask us for decreasing, but I'm going to do decreasing anyways. It's decreasing then from negative infinity to that point -2, and then it's also decreasing in this area here from 0 to infinity. And that's how you find the intervals of increase and decrease.